It's Lisa again. I was just a little overwhelmed and got all the warm fuzzies from all the positive comments and likes and everything I'm getting on social media for these little creations that I decided to do a giveaway, and the winner gets to pick their choice. Just like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It could be any comment about your crafting or what you like, but if you like, just leave a comment on which one of these you would pick if you were the winner. On August 1st, which is Monday. I don't want to make it too far away, but I want to give people who are interested a chance to join in if they want to. On August 1st, Monday, at midnight, I'll pick a winner at random and contact them through YouTube notifications. And that person can pick their favorite one, and I will ship it right to them. And don't worry if it's one of the ones that I said I liked. I can always make myself another one, and I'm just happy to send it off. It will come with a brand new blending foam on it, so you can go to work with it as soon as you get it. So again, just like, subscribe, leave a comment, maybe the favorite one you like, or just anything positive about anybody or anything. And I will pick the winner on August 1st at midnight. Thanks so much.